Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Phantom Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Phantom Wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your social accounts or your seed phrase. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to find the Bitcoin wallet address for your account, then you can simply tap on the receive button and you will see the various different wallet addresses for your different tokens. At the very end, you will find the Bitcoin option. Now, you can tap on the copy icon at the right side in order to copy your wallet address for your Bitcoin to your clipboard. After it is copied to your clipboard, you can simply paste it within your message to anyone who wishes to send you Bitcoin. You may also tap on the QR code icon, and this will display a QR code that you can share with anyone in order to receive Bitcoin. You may tap on the share button to share this QR code directly. Once any individual scans this QR code from their Phantom Wallet application, they will be able to send Bitcoin into your wallet directly. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Phantom Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.